Hello everyone and welcome back to Make Your Mind. This is the latest of my product review videos, and if you watch my Instagram, I initially said that I was going to do the video tomorrow, but I'm sorry, duty called, so there's a little bit of a delay, but you got to see the product that I'm reviewing, and the product I'll be reviewing right now is something that I've never actually worked with before, but was recommended to by, was recommended to try this product just because it's a little something different. This is Satin Ice's gum paste. I just want to emphasize real quick, this is for sculpting, molding, rolls thin, and dries hard. So this dries in the air. This is a product that is used to make cake decorations. It's gluten-free, dairy-free, nut-free, and vegetarian, in case you're wondering. It's basically sugar. It's a sugar that's combined with oils in order to give it, essentially, its solidity and its texture, I guess. It's got some color, thickener. Now, this comes in many colors. You see, it also contains a little bit of egg. So it's not exactly vegetarian, but whatever. You can get this in white, you can get it in blue, you can also get it in red, yellow, green, and I think you can even get this in black. But this is a clay product that you can eat. It literally is used for making cake decorations. So this is gum paste. Let me see, how do I open... Oh, I see. Reading here. Pull here. Okay, good. And then, I pull it up like this. Okay, so it comes in this, is this sealed? It's not sealed. Is that it? I guess that's it. So there it is, right in there. As I've washed my hands before getting into this. Let's take a chunk out. Let's see what this stuff is all about. Oh my goodness, hold on a second. Okay. So the container is now open. Let me go ahead and throw this out. It also says to please keep it airtight. And here it is. This is gum paste. Let me go ahead and do the obligatory smell. It smells like straight up sugar. But it's, wow, it has a similar wow, this stuff is actually, you can really do some stuff with this. Although, I don't know what it's like if you were to... What is it like when you try to fold it and mix it together? Does it stay together? But I will be doing a follow-up to this review, a part 2 of sorts, where it will actually harden, and I'll give it a try, see what it tastes like. I'm assuming it's just sugar. But it's basically a mix of sugar, syrup, and different types of oils, and a couple of thickeners, and... couple of different things. Wow, this stuff though, it's very soft right off the bat. It splits apart. I mean, it honestly feels like, it feels a lot like this. It feels like this is some Sculpey clay. It feels very similar, but it has a powdery kind of texture to it, and that's of course with the sugar and everything. Wow, it's very easy to work with. Ooh, it's picking up a lot of the extra stuff from my fingers. Well, I guess my hands weren't really that washed after all, but oh well. This stuff is... Okay, now I need to see if I can actually make something with this. What does it say? Can you eat this stuff straight up, or do you have to wait until it dries? Okay, it says... Satin Ice gum paste rolls thin and is moldable and dries hard, perfect for making flowers, leaves, bows, and elaborate modeled sculptures or figurines. It says unused gum paste should be resealed quickly and trimming should be stored separately. Both should be wrapped airtight and stowed away from direct light or ambient temperature. At ambient temperature. Make sure your work surface, tools, and hands are clean and dry. Also, as you knead the gum paste, it will become more pliable. Work fast to avoid drying. So this is basically like an air dry clay that's based... And there's the There's the ingredients here. It's got sugar, corn syrup, water, palm oil. So it's got a couple of preservatives and some stabilizers and a thickener, the cellulose gum. Artificial flavors, modified cornstarch, acetic acid. Yeah, it's got a couple of preservatives in it, but it kind of has to. It's it feels very powdery on the offset. It leaves a little bit of residue on the hands. But can you just, I'm curious, can you actually eat this right off the bat, or can you just dry it? Or does it have to dry first? Oh, there's the, well, this is made by Satin Ice gum paste. And it doesn't have anything else on the label. I'm actually eating it right now. Holy cow, it's sweet. You can actually eat this stuff. How cool is this? Okay, so. Wow, it's really sweet. But it tastes like cake icing. Okay. So you can eat it. And to be honest with you, this stuff really does. That's a lot. This stuff really does feel like. It feels like a hardened version of cake icing. That's really what this feels like. And as you can see, it kind of has the consistency of kind of thick cake icing. Turn the music up a little bit. There we go. Oh, and for those of you who are curious, if you watch till the end of the video, you'll get to see my latest outro. I created an official outro to these videos now, so you'll be seeing it every time. I created a character for this channel that was a sort of a mixture of like a caricature of myself and just something fun. I was gonna make some fun videos, and I decided to make a cool outro. So definitely check it out. This is a lot. Holy cow. So this stuff, you can. Now, I will say, this stuff does have. You gotta continue to knead it, and as you knead it, it gets a little softer and softer, and it actually makes itself easier to mix together. Now let's see if I can make some real details here. Yeah, you see, it doesn't have much structure, so if you want to make something like a character that stands up, you're gonna have to put some kind of a. I guess you could use something. I guess you could use like a piece of wood and have it like a stick or something. I don't know. But the craziest thing about this stuff is that you can literally just take it off and you can eat it. Excuse me? This is amazing. This is one of the best products I've ever reviewed on this channel. If you're making clay and you need a snack, here you go. This is too cool. If there's some clay I don't need, I just eat it. Oh, this is fun. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see if I can make a guy here. Boy, this guy's looking mighty tasty. This is cool. Okay. Gotta give a shout out to Lori real quick. She's the one who recommended this product to me. This stuff is fun. This stuff is great. Let's see, make a little bit of definition here. Curl his hands back. You can't do super detailed stuff, but I would love to, on the part 2, I'm gonna see if I can make a really sort of detailed sculpture. Ooh, I can already tell it's already starting to dry on the ends. I wonder, in the part 2, we'll see if it dries hard. Ooh, I can already tell the ends are starting to dry already. Wow, this stuff really does dry fast. So you gotta be very careful with it. But as you can see, it doesn't have any structure, and it will not hold its own weight. So if you were to make something that stands up or anything like that, you would really have to... So there's a little dude, so you can actually sculpt with this stuff. And you can eat it! This is... This is one of the best products I've ever reviewed on this channel. Oh my gosh, please click like on this video and please subscribe. I want to do more with this. This is the product right here. I got this on Amazon. It's called Satin Ice's Gum Paste. You can get it in multiple colors. If you want to see multiple colors and you want to see me make a detailed sculpture with multiple colors with this stuff that you can eat, leave a comment down below, please. This stuff is amazing. But with this review, honestly, move that out of the way. This stuff, 2 thumbs up, without question. This is one of the funnest. I would recommend being able to, if your kid is an artist, make sure that they sculpt with this, because this is, you can eat this. It's sugar. It's just sugar paste. It is a little cracked though, so this stuff really is like air dry clay. So I'm gonna give this as long as it takes, let it dry hard, and I will make a part 2 video. And I wonder if this stuff, if it stays soft in the middle, or if it hardens and becomes like hard candy. Oh my gosh, I'm so stoked. I'm so ready for part 2 already, but I need to wait. I'm gonna let that dry. Make sure that this is nice and sealed. Once again, if you expose this to the open air, this is like air dry clay. You need to keep it airtight. Good, so if I close that, there we go. Get as much air out as I can, but this is Satin Ice's Gum Paste. Definitely recommend with kids. They will love this stuff. They'll probably end up eating it more than actually sculpting with it, but at least it gives them something fun and non-toxic. So once again, this is so much fun. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to show this to my nieces. They're gonna go crazy. Make a couple of sculptures and then they could just whoop and just eat them. Making cake decorations. My goodness. Alright, so that concludes the video. If you love this kind of videos and you want to see more, please click the like button down below. And don't forget to subscribe. And hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss the next video. I will go ahead and cue the brand new outro. And I will see you all on the next video here on Make Your Mind.